When things go sideways, having the right gear can make all the difference. Today's lineup brings together smart tools, rugged tech, and practical essentials built to help you stay ready for anything. If you enjoy discovering reliable survival gear, stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Number 21. NedFoss Tactical Hatchet Axe. This compact tactical hatchet uses a forged carbon steel blade that stays sharp and delivers clean, quick cuts. The G10 handle has a textured grip that feels secure in the hand. It comes with a full-grain leather sheath that protects the edge and holds up well over time. The polished blade can be resharpened easily, making it reliable for long-term use. It's a handy tool for chopping firewood, cutting branches, and handling camping, gardening, or outdoor tasks. Number 20. MSR Guardian Gravity Water Purifer. This high-capacity gravity water purifier is designed for travel, backcountry adventures, and emergencies. Its hollow fiber technology removes 99.9% of viruses, bacteria, protozoa, sediment, and microplastics, while activated carbon improves taste and reduces chemicals. Simply hang the 10-liter reservoir to purify up to 1 liter in 2 minutes. The PFAS-free carry case keeps gear dry. The kit includes a 2-stage purifier, hoses, bottle adapter, and zippered case with a lifetime capacity of up to 3,000 liters. Made in the USA. Number 19. 72 Pro Survival System. Built by survival experts, this backpack includes over 30 high-quality tools packed into easy-grab compartments. Items cover air filtration, hydration, warmth, and self-rescue essentials, making it a complete grab-and-go solution for disaster scenarios. The bag itself is rugged, water-resistant, and designed for quick access under stress. This system is ideal for people who want a well-planned emergency kit without having to assemble everything individually. Number 18. Wuben X3 Rechargeable Survival Flashlight. This compact dual-light flashlight delivers strong brightness with a rotating head that shifts between flood and spotlight modes. It recharges wirelessly, lasts long on a single charge, and includes a beacon mode for emergencies. The lightweight design clips easily onto packs or belts. It's great for night navigation, repairs, or signaling during blackouts. Anyone building a well-rounded survival setup will appreciate its power and versatility. Number 17. Leatherman Signal Survival Multitool. The Signal combines Leatherman's well-known reliability with survival-focused tools like a ferro rod, emergency whistle, knife, saw, pliers, and various drivers. Its rugged build handles demanding outdoor tasks, while the compact form fits comfortably into pockets or pouches. Whether you're preparing for emergency repairs, shelter building, or daily adventure tasks, this multi-tool brings strong performance in a small, dependable package. Number 16. Go Time Gear Life Emergency Sleeping Bag. This lightweight emergency bivvy reflects up to 90% of body heat, making it a strong choice for cold weather survival. It resists wind and moisture while packing down smaller than a soda can. The reinforced seam construction improves durability in rough terrain. It's well suited for hikers, preppers, and motorists who want backup warmth during sudden emergencies or shelter failures. Number 15. AstroAI Emergency Car Jump Starter. This portable car jump starter packs a high-rate lithium battery capable of starting 6.0-liter gas or 3.0-liter diesel engines, as well as motorcycles, SUVs, and more. Smart Boost Mode detects low voltage and safely starts fully drained batteries, while metal clamps and smart cables protect against heat and damage. It features 8 safety protections, a compact design for easy storage, and multifunctional use as a jump starter, power bank, and LED flashlight with 3 modes, lightweight and travel-friendly. Number 14. WESN The Bornas. This compact fixed-blade knife combines traditional craftsmanship with modern practicality. It features a 2.75-inch CPM S35 VN steel blade and a 3.1-inch handle made from wood or durable G10. Built in Sweden, it offers strong durability and long-lasting sharpness. The low-profile Kydex sheath makes it easy to carry daily, while the design works well for both outdoor tasks and everyday use, blending functionality with a sleek, simple style. Number 13. ZOUPW Portable Solar Panel, 200 watts. This foldable solar panel captures power efficiently and connects easily to power stations, making it ideal for off-grid energy needs. Its rugged design resists water and rough handling, while the adjustable kickstand helps optimize sunlight angles. For preppers, campers, or anyone planning for grid outages, this panel provides renewable energy without complex setup. It delivers dependable power wherever sunlight is available. Number 12. ZUNE LOTOO Tactical Survival Knife. This full-tang survival knife features a 3.85-inch D2 steel blade known for sharpness, hardness, and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for outdoor tasks. The 9.45-inch knife has a textured G10 handle for a secure, comfortable grip, and the handle's end can serve as a safety hammer. It comes with an adjustable Kydex sheath that attaches to a waist or backpack. Perfect for chopping wood, cutting ropes, preparing food, or emergency use, it's a reliable tool for camping, hiking, and survival. Number 11. Streamlight Protac 2.0 Tactical Flashlight. This tactical flashlight offers impressive brightness and long runtime with a rechargeable battery pack. The durable aircraft-grade body resists impacts and weather, making it a strong option for emergencies. It includes multiple light modes to handle navigation, signaling, or inspection needs. Anyone preparing for blackouts or disaster conditions will appreciate the reliability and strong beam performance. Number 10. My Medic Emergency Kit. This compact 132-piece first aid kit is built for fast, organized emergency care, whether you're camping, hiking, driving, or keeping it at home. It uses a folding page layout for clear organization and a durable MOLLE panel that mounts easily and tears away for quick access. Inside, you'll find essentials like a splint, space blanket, shears, gloves, gauze, bandages, burn care, medicines, and basic hygiene items. It's made in the USA, HSA, and FSA eligible, and built to last. Number 9. iunio Multitool Shovel. This folding shovel and axe kit is built with a steel head and strong aluminum handle, making it reliable for camping, hiking, emergencies, or yard work. It packs many functions into one tool, including digging, sawing, cutting, hammering, climbing, and nail pulling. The handle length can be adjusted with extension bars, and the set includes extras like a bottle opener, screwdriver, whistle, and glass breaker. Everything fits into a compact carrying pouch that's easy to take anywhere. Number 8. Hill People Gear Umlindi Backpack V2. This award-winning active backpack is built for comfortable all-day carry. The updated version adds easier zipper access, a more comfortable lumbar flap, dual aluminum stays, larger expandable side pockets, and a full-height internal slot pocket you can also reach from the outside. You also get extra compression straps, a top zip pocket, and space for Velcro-backed add-ons. It keeps its durable Cordura build, pulley compression system, hydration port, and compatibility with multiple accessory pockets. Number 7. JUDY Ready Set Go Emergency Kit. This modern emergency kit includes water, tools, lighting, first aid, and safety items packed into a bright, durable bag. Each item is selected to help people act quickly during disasters. The clear layout makes everything easy to find even under pressure. Great for families wanting a simple, well-curated emergency pack that covers essential needs without overwhelming new preppers. Number 6. FlexTail Evo Portable Air Pump and Lantern. This compact device works as both an inflation pump and a bright lantern, making it useful for camps, shelters, and bug-out bags. It inflates sleeping pads fast and provides adjustable lighting for nighttime tasks. The battery lasts long and charges quickly. It's a lightweight, multi-purpose gadget for people building efficient, space-saving survival setups. Number 5. Garmin inReach Mini 3 Plus. Stay connected off-grid with a lightweight satellite communicator that works through the global Iridium network. You can send texts, voice messages, and even photos when paired with your phone, and trigger an interactive SOS that shares your location with a 24/7 response center. Its rugged touchscreen handles tough weather, and the battery lasts up to 350 hours with tracking. You also get location sharing, weather updates, trip planning, and reliable reception even in dense terrain. Number 4. Purewell Water Purifier System. This compact desalination tool converts seawater into drinkable water using advanced filtration and manual power. It's lightweight, designed for long-term use, and easy to operate. Ideal for coastal emergencies, off-grid living, or disaster kits where fresh water may be scarce. It's one of the most forward-thinking survival solutions for people preparing for extreme scenarios. Number 3. Bluetti EB3A Ultra Portable Power Station. This power station offers strong output for its size, supporting essential devices like radios, phones, lights, and medical equipment. It charges fast through wall outlets, solar panels, or carports. The display shows real-time stats, making it easy to manage energy usage. It's a dependable backup for blackouts and emergency operations, suited for homes and mobile survival setups. Number 2. Atomic Bear Self-Defense Tactical Pen. This tactical pen works as both a writing tool and an emergency self-defense device. The aircraft-grade aluminum body withstands heavy impact, while the glass breaker tip helps during vehicle emergencies. It clips securely and stays comfortable for everyday carry. It's a practical tool for both preparedness and daily protection, especially for people who want discreet safety gear. Number 1. ReadyWise Emergency Food Supply 124 Serving Kit. This long-lasting food kit provides a mix of meals with a shelf life of up to 25 years. The resealable pouches make portioning simple and help reduce waste. It's easy to prepare with just boiling water and supports reliable nutrition during extended emergencies or grid failures. For families building long-term survival stores, this kit offers convenience, variety, and dependable quality. Thanks for watching. If you found this list helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more survival gear rundowns. Stay prepared, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.